Yeah. NCR. You know what do you mean by NCR is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Look at this. A, B, C. How many ways you can arrange them? You can arrange them in 3 factorial ways. But if you're selecting 3 people, how many ways you can select 3 people? Only in one way. For example, ABC, if I'm selecting, ABC only can be selected. BAC selection and ABC selection are same selections. Do you follow that? You are taking a friend for a party.
Oh, yes, sir.
Taking Chirag and Austin with me for a party and taking Austin and Chirag with me a party is same thing, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the interchanging of position is counted as 1 in case of selection. That's why NPR, if you divide by R factorial, it will become the number of selections. NCR is number of choices from n things taken R at a time. Tell me how many ways 5 friends I have. I want to go in my car. I can take only 4 people in my car. So how many ways I can select 4 people, not arrange? Select how many ways I can go to the party with 4 people. I have 5 friends with me. What I'll do is, one method is take 5p4 and divide by 4 factorial. It is equivalent to 5c4. 5 factorial, and what is the NCR's definition? N factorial
Upon r factorial minus r.
So just write down like this. NCR is equal to. Return this definition.
So what is the name of this particular topic?
Combination. What is the meaning of combination? Number of selections. Number of choices. After you write NCR, it is number of ways of selecting n things taken R at a time. Now calculate this. 5C3, calculate it. 5C3, calculate it. Upper number factorial, lower number factorial, and their difference factorial.
I minus 2 factorial.
So 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 2 into 1 is 10.
Yes, sir.
Shortcut method of calculation. See, write from 5, write 3 numbers. From down, start from 3, write 3 numbers. And that will give you answer. Shortcut method. But if you don't write the whole definition, you can do that. Upper number start with 5, lower number start with 3. Lower number is 3 terms, upper number also 3 terms. Calculate 10C1, 10C2, and 10C3. 10C1. What the answer?
So 10.
10. 10 factorial upon 1 factorial into 9 factorial. It is same as 10 into 9 factorial upon 9 factorial, which is 10. Shortcut method, 10 divided by 1. 10C2, shortcut method. Write two numbers starting from 10. Write two numbers starting from 2. Shortcut method. Fatapat, 10C3. Shortcut method. Write how many numbers?
Three
Three
numbers
numbers
from 10.
starting
Starting
from
from
10.
10. And write three numbers starting from 3.
125.
120, no?
And 120.
120, yes, Kevin.
120, sorry.
I hope everybody understood the calculation.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Tell me meaning of 5C3 is 10. Meaning number of ways of
Number of
selecting
ways of finding.
selecting 5 people, 3 at a time. 5 people, 3 at a time, 10 ways you can select. 10C2, selecting 10 people, 2 at a time, 45 ways you can select. 10 people taken 3 at a time, 120 ways you can do it. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, properties of NCR. NCR and NC n minus R are equal. First property. What is the meaning of this? 10C3 and 10C7 are equal. Anam, why they are equal?
Yes, sir.
Why they are equal? What is definition and tell me what is it?
So it should be the three numbers starting from 10, that is 10.
We'll do definition. We'll do definition. 10
Okay,
factorial
10 factorial
upon
upon 3 factorial
and the
into
difference.
10 minus 3 factorial, that is 7 factorial.
Now put the definition of this.
10 factorial upon 7 factorial into 3 factorial.
Have you seen both are equal?
Yes, sir, they are equal.
Yeah. NCR and NC n minus R are equal. N minus R का मतलब क्या है? ये दोनों का difference. 10 minus 3 is 7 है ना?
Yes.
So tell me now another 8C3 is same as Jeff. 8C3 is same as
Yes, sir.
8C3.
8C5.
85.
Now,
Eight-
others
8C5.
to speak. 8C3 is same as 8C.
8C5.
Okay.
5.
Now, Jeff, you are answering me. Last time.
Yes,
you
sir.
didn't.
Yes.
NCX and NCY are equal. What can you say about X and Y?
X and Y. X minus 1 is equal to Y.
X, N minus X. Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. N minus. Sorry, sir.
N minus X is equal to Y. In other words,
X is equal to.
sum of X and Y will be N. So they'll ask you like this in the exam. NCX is equal to NCY. Then what you can say? X plus Y should be equal to N. ये दोनों का sum N होना चाहिए. नहीं तो X and Y का value एक ही होना चाहिए. Please note down. NCX is equal to NCY. Then there are two possibilities. X plus Y is equal to N, or X and Y are directly equal. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Property number 2. I'm going to teach you next property. NCR and NCR minus 1, if you add, how much you'll get? Don't write for a minute. Don't write for a minute. I'll just show you, then I will do it. NCR is n factorial upon r
R
factorial.
factorial into n minus r factorial.
N factorial, r minus 1 factorial. What will be the difference? N minus r minus 1. N minus r plus 1 it will be. So n minus r plus 1 factorial. समझा कि नहीं? ओके अभी ये
Yes, sir.
दोनों के कॉमन क्या क्या है? ओके एक और स्टेप मैं देता हूँ. n फैक्टोरियल दोनों में n फैक्टोरियल है, रहने दो. r और r फैक्टोरियल और r माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल को ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. ये दोनों में बड़ा है
Yes, can be written.
या इसको ऐसे रहने दो. बड़े को छोटा करेंगे. ये छोटा, ये दोनों में कंपेयर करेगा तो ये छोटा है, ऐसे रहने दो. This is big, so we'll reduce that. If you compare this and this is big. So n minus r plus 1 और एक कम होगा n minus r factorial.
N minus R factorial. Yes, sir.
Common, n factorial is common.
N factorial.
ये दोनों में
R minus 1 factorial.
r minus 1 factorial will be common.
And N minus R factorial is also common.
n minus r factorial is also common. ब्रैकेट के अंदर
So,
1 by r होगा,
1.
1 by n minus r plus 1 होगा. Everybody has understood
Yes.
this first step?
Sir, I didn't understand from the second step.
Definition, this minus you understood.
Yes,
Okay.
this one I understood.
Whenever you have 2, 5 factorial and 9 factorial, what will do, you know? The bigger number will be reduced. Suppose I have 10 factorial with a 7 factorial. This 10 factorial will be reduced till I get 7 factorial. Then only I can take common between them.
Yes, sir.
So when I compare r factorial and r minus 1 एक कम में r से.
Yes.
Factorial को reduce कर देगा, r into r minus 1 factorial.
Okay.
Same way when I
Okay.
compare this ये दोनों, एक ज्यादा है, तो ये ज्यादा वाले को
Yes.
एक कम reduce कर देगा. So that I can take common.
Okay.
Now what I'll do? n factorial, r minus 1 factorial, n minus r factorial. इसको LCM ले लेगा. What is the LCM? r into n minus r plus 1. n minus r plus 1 plus r. AR or AR cancel. Now I don't have space to write this, so I'm going to write it up. Write it in another color. Now see what I'm writing here. n factorial, r minus 1 factorial,
N minus R factorial.
then इधर क्या हो जाएगा? n plus 1 हो जाएगा. इधर क्या होगा? Just r factorial नहीं है इसके साथ, only r. n minus r plus 1 चलेगा? अभी ये दोनों को कंबाइन कर सकते हैं. What is 10 factorial multiplied with its next number? 10 factorial multiplied with 11 is 11 factorial. Do you agree?
11 factorial. Yes, sir.
5 factorial multiplied with 6 is
6
6
factorial.
factorial.
100 multiplied with 99 factorial.
100 factorial.
100.
N factorial multiplied with n plus 1.
N plus 1 factorial.
R minus 1 factorial multiplied with R.
It's R factorial.
I
N
factorial.
minus R factorial multiplied with n minus R plus 1.
N minus R plus 1 factorial.
And this is the definition of n plus 1 CR. ये क्या आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इधर? ये अपर नंबर एक ज्यादा हो जाएगा और लोअर नंबर इसमें जो बड़ा है वो इधर आएगा. So what is the meaning? I'll give you time to write. Okay. 10C4 and 10C5 can be added. The answer ये दोनों same है, एक बड़ा है. Difference is only one.
So it should be 11C5, sir.
Very good. The upper number increased by 1, lower number greater out of this 2 will be written. That is the meaning of this formula. All of you write down. Prove that. Prove that. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is n plus 1 CR. Okay. R into NCR. This can be written as R into n factorial r factorial into n minus r factorial. बराबर है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now see what I'm going to do next step. This r and this r factorial I can cancel. This r I'm writing as r into r minus 1 factorial. चलेगा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So that this r will get.
I will get cancelled.
Now see the beauty. This became n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. C r भी लिख सकते हैं. R minus 1, R minus 1. What is the meaning
So
of this?
this last step,
Then tell me the definition of this. Upper number factorial, lower number factorial. Difference of this. Difference of this.
factorial.
ये दोनों का difference
Okay,
है.
so one will get cancelled. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
So what does that mean? 4 into 5c4. Okay, I'll take bigger number. 10c4. 4 into 10c4. आपने देखा ये दोनों सेम है.
Yes, sir.
ये 10
Yes.
4 की जगह पे आ जाएगा और 9c कितना हो जाएगा? 3 हो जाएगा. Suppose I have 8 15c8. 8 के जगह पे 15 आएगा. ये एक कम हो जाएगा.
14 by 7.
C7, 14c7.
Okay.
ये दोनों सेम होना चाहिए. Another example. 7 into 14c7 is equal to 7 के जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा?
14.
14.
14 into
एक कम हो जाएगा.
13c,
66.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Note this very clearly. Very important formula. I require it somewhere inside it. I require this. R into NCR is n into n minus 1 CR minus 1. Okay, finished?
No, sir.
Pause the recording. Write this question. NCR minus 1 is 36. NCR is 84. NCR plus 1 is 126. Find RC2. Did you notice one more thing? Wait 1 minute. What is from this one? NCR divided by n minus 1 CR minus 1. I forgot to tell you this. Is n by r. What is the meaning of this?
Oh.
Tell me the meaning of this. This also you please note. 10c7 divided by एक कम करो 9c6 is 10 upon 7. Did you follow this? 10
So, but why?
10 divided by 7. Okay, you create one and tell me. 15c, let's say 6 divided by how much? एक कम करो.
14C5
14C5.
is
Will
equals to
be
15 by
15
6.
14 by
divided by 6. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, let's do this. We cannot do those ideas here because they both are same. So first of all, NCR divided by NCR minus 1 is 84 by 36. Now, write the definition of NCR. Then write the definition of NCR minus 1. See, anything can be done. Reduce कर सकते हैं. N factorial, R factorial, N minus R factorial.
R factorial.
Factorial, R minus 1 factorial, N minus R plus 1 factorial.
N minus R plus 1 factorial.
अभी आपको बड़ा छोटा कैंसलेशन, ये दोनों कैंसल, ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये नीचे आएगा, so this and this cancellation, this and this cancellation, so N minus R plus 1 divided by R is 84 by 36. So एक और फॉर्मूला इधर आपको मिल गया है. NCR upon NCR minus 1 is difference between this both number divided by this. That also you can put as a formula. One more formula you can add. This formula, one more formula. What is the another formula you have? Amateur, you can remember, you remember. But you can't remember, you do the definition. NCR divided by NCR minus 1 is equal to difference between up and down divided by down. Difference between these two. ये दोनों का difference. फिर ये इधर ऐसे है. Then you can do this problem very fast. If down number is 1 less than the up number, difference between this both divided by this. Come on, cancel this. 42 upon 18, 21 upon 9, 7 upon 3.
So it can go by 12 now.
7 upon 3. Barabar hai na?
Yes.
So 3n minus 3r plus 3 is 7r. So 3n minus 10r is equal to minus 3. चलेगा? एक इक्वेशन मिल गया. दूसरा इक्वेशन मिलेगा, ये दोनों लेगा तो सेम आइडिया विल अप्लाई. फटाफट. Can I rub this?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, बोलो.
sir, can you explain me how N minus R plus 1 came?
Tell me what is 10 factorial divided by 9 factorial.
We can,
One number ज्यादा है ना, तो 10
Yes.
factorial लिख सकता है ना,
yes,
so 10 हो जाएगा ना.
yes.
So n minus r plus 1 factorial को n minus r से डिवाइड करेगा तो क्या मिलेगा? एक नंबर ज्यादा है इससे,
Yes.
n minus r plus 1 और फिर n minus r factorial इधर आएगा और नीचे n minus r factorial है, ये दोनों के बीच में ये दोनों कैंसिल होके ऐसा आएगा.
Okay.
सेम में ये दोनों के बीच में क्या हो जाएगा? r factorial क्या हो जाएगा? r into r minus 1 factorial.
R into R minus 1.
r minus 1 factorial cancel होके r बच जाएगा.
Yes, yes.
So first equation understood. Now write second equation. NCR plus 1 divided by NCR is 126 divided by 84. ये दोनों का difference divided by this. Please. 6 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं ना 14. 21 upon 14 7 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. Is it correct? My calculation? 24 into 84. 42 into 3, correct. So got the next equation? Everybody is so silent. So 2n minus 5r is equal to 3. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes or wrong?
Hmm.
Parinita,
Yes, sir. I got
is this correct equation?
yes, I got the same.
Now solve these two equations simultaneously. So second equation multiply by 2 and subtract. You have to calculate RC2. So 3n minus 10r is equal to minus 3. 2n minus 5r is equal to 3. So now old method से कर देते हैं. N is equal to 15,
6 by 5.
15 plus 30 divided by minus 15 plus 20. So 45.
Acha,
I'm getting 9.
9.
N is 9. So 2 into 9 minus 5r is equal to 3. R is 3. So N is 9, R is 3. Therefore, RC2 is 3C2. It is 3 upon 1. Answer is 3. Two NC3 is equal is to NC2 is 12 is to 1. You got to find N. Put the definition. Now the cancellation is between 2n and 2n minus 3, n and n minus 2. So you can write this as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial you can write as 3 into 2 factorial.
3 into 2 factorial and 2n minus 3 factorial, which will get cancelled. Below we have n
into
into n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial, and n minus 2 will get cancelled, as well as 2 factorial will get cancelled.
correct. So let's see the cancellation. This went away with this. This went away with this. And went away with this. Is it okay? So now what is left?
Yes, sir.
2n,
2n into 2n minus 1
2n
into
minus
2n minus 2
upon
upon 3
3 into n minus 1.
n minus 1. Yeah.
This n also gone. Take a 2 common, no factorial now. Factorial is all gone. Take a 2 common. N minus 1 also gone. Now you can write 2n minus 1 is 36 upon 2 upon 4. 2n minus 1 is 9, n is 5. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on the circle? See, one chord like this, if you join this both, you'll get one chord. If you join this both, you'll get another chord. If you join this both, you'll get another chord. If you join this both, you have how many chords? So what are you doing? You are taking
Joining 2 endpoints.
2 points from how many points? It is a selection of
From
21 C2.
points from 21 points. Do you agree with this statement?
yes, sir.
Or every selection, better to say every selection of 2 points from 21 points, we will get a chord. So how many? So number of chords is equal to number of selections of 22 points from is equal to number of selection
Of 2 points from 21 points. Set of 21 points.
selection of 21 points taken 2 at a time. You are going to select 21 points, but not all, only 2 at a time. So it is
Only
20,
2 from 21 at time.
yes, it is 21 C2 ways. And how to calculate 21 C2? Write 2 numbers starting from 21, write 2 numbers starting from down.
Starting from 210, sir.
So you can draw 210 chords in the circle. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Number of chords equal to 21. So what was this question? How many triangles can be formed with vertex at this point? So out of the 21, you are selecting 3 at a time. If you select any 3 vertex, you get a triangle. So 21C3 triangles can be formed. Okay, let's do one more question. In how many ways a team of 3 boys and 3 girls? In how many ways a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? So 3 boys has to be selected from 5 boys. So if I want this 3 boys, I need to select from 5 boys. I cannot go and select from girls 3 boys. It's not possible. Same way from 4 girls, I need to select 3 girls. They have not written 3 boys should be selected from this 5 boys. It's understood. Am I right or wrong? You cannot select this 3 boys from the 7 girls. Can you select? Can you select?
No, sir.
So it is understood. 3 boys are selected from 5 boys and 3 girls are selected from these 4 girls. How many ways this can be done? 5C3 and will become multiplication. 3 girls will become 4C3.
4C3.
So your answer is 5C3 into 4C3. 5C3 is 5 into 4 into 3 divided by
3
3.
into 2 into 1. That is 10 into 4, 3,
So 10 into 4.
10 into 4, 40.
Yeah. Now note this. NC, N minus 1 and NC1 are same. So 4C3 and 4C3 and 4C1 is same. Both are 4 upon 1. Understood? NC, N minus 1 and NC1 are same. Both are N. So you don't have to do that 5 into 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
It should be 9C3 into 9C3 into 9C3.
C3 and 5C3 now.
I
Acha,
have
6
6 red,
6C3.
6C3.
5 white.
5C3 and then 5C3
Correct.
again.
From here I need 3. From here I need 3. And also from here I need 3. So 3 and 3 and 3. All words are connected by and. So your answer will be
6C3
multiplied.
into 5C3 into 5C3.
So 6 into 5 into 4 upon 20 into 10 into 10.
That is 2000.
Yes, that's right.
Then excluding joker cards, it comes as 52, sir, or including them?
Including it.
Excluding.
Excluding for
Jokers, they are giving you an extra card. Suppose you lose one card, you can put that. Or you can play with
card.
as a dummy card.
That.
So what you have to remember is there are 13 hearts, 13 diamond, 13 clubs, and 13 spades. King, queen, jack, these 3 have faces on it. So they are called face cards. Or they call it picture cards. Cards having picture. They are called face cards, or why you call face card?
The face on it.
King,
The face.
face.
King,
King,
queen,
and
king,
one
queen, jack.
king, queen, jack. All 3 of them have this face on it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 are red in color.
2 of them are red in color.
And 2 of them are black in color.
What's that? 2, 26 of them. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Total 26 cards are red in color and 26 cards are black in color.
Black in color.
So what you should know is how many 10s are there, how many kings are there, how many queens are there. Okay. From this we'll do next class. So all of you noted. My time is over. So